Well, it's been a while. Got a few transmissions laying around here, keeping me busy at night. 4L60, another 4L60. But what I'm doing this short little video about is this 5R110W for Torqueshift. So this one came to me with no reverse. It's actually very clean inside. These transmissions, there's a snap ring that blows out, so I was pulling this apart to see that. Didn't find that, but I did find this. I thought it was interesting. The sun shell here is not attached to the sun shaft. You can see the sun shaft turns here. So that seems to be why there's no connection when there's in reverse. So let me show you what this looks like. So the snap ring that everybody talks about that blows out is this one right there, right here. And Transgo makes a kit that actually gives you a thicker ring. This one, as you can see, doesn't fit all that tight. But the smoking gun I have is this. So what they do is they take the sun shell here and they drop it onto the sun gear. So if you fiddle with this, it'll be attached as it is now. And then this ring here, which actually I broke when I was fiddling with it, but I guess this is intended to be a sort of spring, fully concentric snap ring. That sounds really funny. But what they do is they put this on and then they press this piece over and lock the shell to the gear, and then I believe they press this piece on. Well, as we can see, that failed. So we'll get a new sun shell and throw this thing back together, and this guy will be a happy guy. So anyhow, thanks for watching.